Alright, boys and girls, we're going to do a test on the power supply, mainly the pass regulator. Right now we are on, so there is voltage. There's about 40 volts present across the main reservoir cap right there. This is full wave center tap rectified with those two big stud diodes there. Our transistor is live. We are all greased up, ready to go. We've got our jumper straps on board, and we've got our collector and our emitter hooked up. And right now there's zero current because we are cut off. So we're gonna turn up the current a little bit here and see if we have current control or if the whole damn thing just goes torpedo and goes wild. So we do have some control and it's going back to zero, which is good. We'll turn the voltage down here. Now this is a current control device. Current from the base has to go in order to control the collector current. So we were operating, I had this set to current control. So now we're gonna do voltage control. Let's see if we can. Okay, we need a little bit more current here. I don't want to do too much because I've got no current limiting resistor. Okay, there's 2 amps. And we're not even warm yet, which is a wonderful sign. Let's see if the transistors are warm at all. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, transistors are hot. Yeah, the transistors are hot. So the heatsink hasn't caught up yet. But it's handling 30 amps. Yeah, the heatsink hasn't caught up yet. Okay, so I don't know. It's hot to the touch. Well, they're cooling down pretty quick. I don't know what I'd have to look at the data sheet to see what the maximum case temperature can be on these guys. But we are passing 30 amps, and we're close to it. And that's our spec. There's 20. So I know the heatsink can get rid of the heat in time, but I don't know if the transistors can. Yeah, they get awful damn hot. To the touch anyway. I'll have to get a thermal probe on there and see what their case temperature is rising to. So we kind of expected something like this. That's why we went with 18 transistors. But it's going back to zero. which means they're not compromised. Now this probably won't handle, this should handle 50 amps, but it's not going to because the case temp, oh yeah, the case is already back. Case is already back to arguably normal, maybe 30C, 35C. Yeah, so the heatsink's doing its job. It's just a matter of getting rid of that heat that's built up in the junction. So I don't know if this is gonna cut it, but geez, if this doesn't cut it, that's gonna be nuts. Anyway, that's a total success if you ask me. It's into 1 ohm, right? You can see it's 1 ohm. So it's probably about 8 volts because of all the cable loss and everything. That's actual current. So there's more drops, of course, in the system. Right now, this is dropping about 35 volts at 8 amps across the transistors, which is going to get them awful damn hot in a hurry. So it's wasting that power. Ooh, yeah. Yep. It is true. Okay, so she works so far. I'm good with that. We might have to limit the ultimate current to 32 amps. I don't know, we'll have to put there's a current limit that we have to set, but I'm okay with this for the moment. So we'll go ahead and see where else this takes us.